Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E63 S. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I do not see any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's take a look at the driver's fender and wheel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches here at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents or scratches on here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk is in excellent condition. I do not see anything wrong back here. Also, the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Both front and back door have no scratches or dents on them at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Now we're going to come to the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect. No scratches here, no dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear on this door panel at all. All of the switches are in excellent condition. They look perfect. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on the seat. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition as well. The switches are fine. Everything looks good. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything to at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, those steering wheel buttons look very good. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.